Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up landing page A/B tests using Optimizely detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up landing page A/B tests using Optimizely, start by logging into your Optimizely account. Once logged in, navigate to the project where you want to create your A/B test. Click on the Create Experiment button to begin the process. Select the A/B test option from the list of experiment types. Next, enter a name for your experiment that clearly describes what you are testing. Choose the URL of the landing page you want to test. Optimizely will load the page for you to see a visual representation. Now, click on the Variation tab to create different versions of your landing page. You can add variations by clicking the plus icon. Use the visual editor to make changes to elements on the page for your variations. Ensure that you clearly differentiate the variations to assess their performance effectively. Once you have created your variations, set the traffic allocation for each version. Optimizely allows you to allocate traffic evenly or prioritize one variation over another. Next, configure the experiment settings by selecting your conversion goal. This could be actions like clicks on a button, form submissions, or any other measurable interaction. Make sure to specify the audience targeting options if applicable. This allows you to include or exclude specific segments of users in your test. Review the experiment summary to ensure all details are accurate. Once everything looks good, click on the Start Experiment button to launch your A/B test. After the experiment is live, monitor its performance using the Optimizely dashboard. Check the results and metrics to see which variation performs better. After your test reaches statistical significance, analyze the data to draw conclusions. Make informed decisions based on the performance of your variations. Finally, implement the winning variation on your landing page for optimal results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.